Hello everyone, welcome to JHIT SOFTECH. Let me discuss Artificial Intelligence interview question and answers. General AI concepts. What is Artificial Intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that aims to create systems capable of performing tasks that require human intelligence. These tasks include problem solving, understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. What are the different types of AI? Narrow AI, weak AI, designed to perform a narrow task, example facial recognition, internet searches. General AI, strong AI, possesses the ability to perform any intellectual task that a human can do. Artificial super intelligence surpasses human intelligence in all aspects. This is still theoretical. What is machine learning and how is it related to AI? Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves the use of algorithms and statistical models to enable a system to improve its performance on a task through experience. It's one of the main methods by which AI systems are built. Next, machine learning algorithms. Explain the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning. The model is trained on labeled data, meaning the input comes with the correct output. Examples include classification and regression tasks. Unsupervised learning. The model is trained on unlabeled data and must find patterns and relationships with the data. Example include clustering and association. What is overfitting in machine learning and how can you prevent it? Overfitting occurs when a model learns the training data too well, including its noise and outliers, which reduce its generalization ability to new data. Prevention methods include cross-validation, using k-fold cross-validation to ensure the model performs well on unseen data. Regularization, adding a penalty to the model of its complexity, example L1 or L2 regularization. Pruning, reducing the complexity of decision trees. Early stopping, halting training when performance on the validation set starts to degrade. What is a neural network? A neural network is a series of algorithms that attempts to recognize underlying relationships in a set of data through a process that mimics the way the human brain operates. It consists of layers of nodes, neurons each layer transforming the input data into more abstract representations. What is the difference between a feed-forward neural network and a recurrent neural network? Feedback neural network. Information moves in one direction from input nodes through hidden nodes, if any, to output nodes. It has no memory of past inputs. Recurrent neural network, designed to recognize sequences of data. It has connections that from directed cycles, enabling it to maintain a memory of previous inputs. Next, natural language processing. What is natural language processing? NLP is a field of AI that focuses on the interaction between computers and humans through natural language. The goal is to enable computers to understand, interpret, and generate human languages in a way that is both meaningful and useful. What are some common NLP tasks? Common NLP tasks include text classification, categorizing text into predefined categories, named entity recognition, identifying entities such as names, dates, and locations in text, sentiment analysis, determining the sentiment expressed in a piece of text, machine translation, translating text from one language to another. Next, AI application of ethics. What are some real-world applications of AI? Healthcare, diagnostic tools, personalized medicine, robotic surgeries, finance, fraud detection, algorithms trading, personalized banking, retail, recommendation systems, inventory management, customer service, bots, transportation, autonomous vehicles, traffic management, route optimization, entertainment, content recommendations, video games, AI, music composition. What are the ethical considerations in AI development? Bias and fairness. Ensuring AI systems do not perpetuate or amplify biases present in the training data. Privacy. Protecting personal data and ensuring it is used responsibly. Transparency. Making AI decisions understandable and explainable to users. Accountability. Defining who is responsible for the decisions made by AI systems. Safety. Ensuring AI systems are secure and do not cause harm to humans or the environment. Next, technical deep dive. Explain the concept of gradient descent. Gradient descent is an optimization algorithm used to minimize the cost functions in machine learning modules. It iteratively adjusts the module parameters in the direction of the steepest described of the cost function based on the gradient of the cost function with respect to the parameters. What is backpropagation in neural networks? Backpropagation is an algorithm used to train neural networks. It involves the following steps. Backward pass. Compute the output of the network of a given input. Loss calculation. Compute the loss between the predicted output and the actual target. Backward pass. Calculate the gradient of the loss with respect to each weight by applying the chain rule. Weight update. Adjust the weights using the gradients to minimize the loss. Next, practical questions. How would you handle missing data in a data set? Remove missing values. If the number of missing values is small, remove the rows or columns. Imputation. Replace missing values with mean, median, module, or use more sophisticated methods like KNN imputation or regressions imputation using algorithms that support missing values. Some algorithms can handle missing values internally, example XGBoost. What is the difference between bagging and boosting? Bagging, bootstrap aggregating, combines the predictions of multiple modules using of the same time to produce a final prediction. It reduces variance by training each model on a different subsets of the data. Boosting, sequentially train models where each new model tries to correct the errors of the previous ones. It reduces bugs and variance by focusing on hard to predict instances. Next, advanced machine learning and deep learning. What is transfer learning? Transfer learning is a machine learning technique where a model developed for a one task is reused as the starting point for a model on a second task. This is particularly useful in deep learning, where models trained on large data sets like ImageNet can be fine-tuned on smaller domain-specific data sets.